All right, back out in the Chippewa National Forest. This weekend is a little bit different from my last video. Last video was about 45, 50 degrees, sunny blue skies, beautiful camp out. This is going to be a little bit different. This is our last spring storm of the year, hopefully, for the season in Minnesota. So we're going to take advantage of it. We're supposed to get anywhere from 6 to 16 inches. We will see how that goes. They've kind of downgraded it as the day has been going on. But we're gonna have a camp out and have a great time out here. We got both tents set up, our heater systems in there, and I'm about to set up a tarp to kind of get things going for a fire. So it should be a nice, relaxing night in the woods.
Well, Mr. Stick, I was gonna move over more, but I guess can't.
Let's remove the stick.
Okay, do that.
Right, it is morning. We made it through the night. It wasn't bad. It didn't snow too much all night. It was only like an inch or two overnight. But the rest of today is about to be another 5 to 8, so we're gonna get out of here pretty quickly. I kind of packed down a trail last night before I before we went to bed. I kind of drove out to the road and then drove back here to pack down a trail, so we should be good getting out today. I mean, where there's not the pack down trail, it's probably 6, maybe 8 inches, something like that. But where the trail is, where I packed it down, it's only an inch or two now, so we shouldn't have trouble getting out of here, but cross your fingers, we will see.